The highly anticipated 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid has arrived, marking a new era for Honda's beloved compact SUV. With a stunning redesign, advanced technology, and a powerful hybrid powertrain, the CR-V Hybrid is designed for the modern driver. Honda has always been synonymous with reliability and innovation. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid embodies these values. Whether you prioritize fuel efficiency, advanced technology, or a spacious interior, the CR-V Hybrid delivers on all fronts. It's a complete transformation, ready to make a statement on the road. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid boasts a bold new design language that exudes confidence and sophistication. The exterior is characterized by sharp lines, a sculpted hood, and a wider stance, giving it a more athletic and commanding presence on the road. The redesigned front grille, featuring a larger Honda emblem and sleek LED headlights, creates a distinctive and modern look. Moving to the side, the CR-V Hybrid's profile showcases its increased length and wheelbase. The longer hood and gently sloping roofline contribute to a more aerodynamic design, which not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also adds a touch of elegance. The rear of the vehicle is equally striking, with wraparound LED taillights and a sculpted tailgate that enhance its sporty character. The overall design language of the 2025 CR-V Hybrid is a significant departure from its predecessors. It's clear that Honda is aiming for a more upscale and sophisticated look to appeal to a wider range of buyers. The result is a vehicle that is both stylish and functional, seamlessly blending form and function in a way that is sure to turn heads. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid lies a sophisticated and efficient hybrid powertrain. This system combines a 2-litre Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors, delivering a seamless and responsive driving experience. The Atkinson cycle engine is known for its fuel efficiency, while the electric motors provide instant torque for quick acceleration. The hybrid system seamlessly switches between gasoline and electric power, optimizing efficiency without compromising performance. During city driving, the CR-V Hybrid can operate solely on electric power for short distances, reducing emissions and fuel consumption. When more power is needed, the gasoline engine seamlessly kicks in, providing ample acceleration for highway merging and passing. This advanced hybrid system is a testament to Honda's commitment to fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The CR-V Hybrid achieves impressive fuel economy figures, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice performance. The combination of power and efficiency makes the CR-V Hybrid a compelling option in the compact SUV segment. Step inside the cabin of the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid, and you'll be greeted by a world of advanced technology and intuitive features. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This system provides access to navigation, music, phone calls, and a variety of vehicle settings all at your fingertips. The CR-V Hybrid also features a head-up display, or HUD, which projects important information such as speed, navigation directions, and safety alerts onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. The digital instrument cluster provides a clear and customizable display of vehicle information, including speed, fuel economy, and hybrid system status. Honda has equipped the CR-V Hybrid with a suite of advanced safety features. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid is a technological tour de force, offering a seamless and connected driving experience. From its intuitive infotainment system to its advanced safety features, the CR-V Hybrid is designed to make every journey safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. Section 5. A haven of comfort, interior and cargo space. The interior of the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is designed to provide a comfortable and refined experience for both drivers and passengers. High-quality materials, soft surfaces, and meticulous attention to detail create an upscale ambiance that rivals that of more expensive SUVs. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, even on long journeys, with ample adjustments to find the perfect driving position. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom and headroom, making the CR-V Hybrid a comfortable choice for families and those who frequently carry passengers. The rear seats can be folded down to create a spacious cargo area that can accommodate even the bulkiest of items. The CR-V Hybrid offers a versatile and practical interior that can adapt to a variety of needs. While the seating area might feel slightly confined for taller individuals in the second row, the overall comfort and spaciousness of the CR-V Hybrid are commendable. The generous boot space further adds to its practicality, making it an ideal choice for families on the go or individuals with active lifestyles. Section 6. Engineered for safety, protecting what matters most. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the 2025 CR-V Hybrid is no exception. It comes standard with the Honda Sensing Suite of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies. These features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a driver attention monitor. The CR-V Hybrid also benefits from Honda's commitment to passive safety with a rigid body structure, multiple airbags, and advanced seatbelt technology. In Euro NCAP safety tests, the CR-V Hybrid achieved a 5-star overall rating, demonstrating its exceptional crashworthiness and pedestrian protection. Honda's dedication to safety is evident in every aspect of the CR-V Hybrid's design and engineering. From its advanced safety features to its robust construction, the CR-V Hybrid provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, knowing that they are protected by cutting-edge technology and Honda's unwavering commitment to safety. Section 7. The competition. How does the CR-V Hybrid stack up? The compact SUV segment is highly competitive, with a wide range of vehicles vying for consumers' attention. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid faces stiff competition from established rivals such as the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Ford Escape Hybrid, and Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Each of these vehicles offers its own unique strengths and weaknesses. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, remains a formidable competitor. The Ford Escape Hybrid offers a sporty driving experience and a well-appointed interior. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid boasts a stylish design and a comprehensive warranty. However, the CR-V Hybrid sets itself apart with its combination of style, technology, efficiency, and safety. The CR-V Hybrid's sleek design, advanced technology features, and Honda's reputation for reliability give it a competitive edge. Its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and impressive fuel economy further enhance its appeal. While other competitors may excel in specific areas, the CR-V Hybrid offers a well-rounded package that is hard to beat. Section 8. Pricing and value. Is the CR-V Hybrid worth the investment? The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is available in a range of trim levels, with pricing starting from insert estimated starting price. This competitive pricing strategy positions the CR-V Hybrid as an attractive option in the compact SUV segment. When considering the value proposition, it's essential to factor in the CR-V Hybrid's impressive fuel economy, which translates to significant savings at the pump over the long term. Moreover, Honda vehicles are renowned for their reliability and resale value. The CR-V Hybrid is expected to retain its value well, making it a wise investment for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, Honda offers a comprehensive warranty and maintenance plan, providing further peace of mind and potentially reducing ownership costs. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a compelling combination of features, performance, efficiency, and value. Its competitive pricing, impressive fuel economy, and Honda's reputation for reliability make it a smart choice for consumers seeking a well-rounded and future-proof compact SUV. Section 9. The future is here. 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid, a leader in its class. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is a statement of Honda's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and driving excitement. By blending style, performance, technology, and safety, Honda has created a compact SUV for modern drivers. The CR-V Hybrid sets a new standard for the segment. With its bold design, advanced hybrid powertrain, and cutting-edge technology, The CR-V Hybrid leads the compact SUV market. Its spacious interior and fuel efficiency make it ideal for families and individuals. Whether in the city or on a road trip, the CR-V Hybrid delivers a refined driving experience. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid shows that performance and fuel efficiency can coexist. It seamlessly integrates into your life, enhancing commutes and adventures. The CR-V Hybrid is a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering.